Hello guys, how are you? I hope so that you guys would be good. So again coming up with a new video, and in this video we are just going to discuss about one of the most hottest topic which is been going on right now, that is WWDC 2021, which is going to be held from 7th of June in this month. So this event is going to be a little bit different from the previous ones as per rumors, and I will tell you why it is being a little bit different from previous ones, and it is going to be really interesting. A lot of people is being waiting for this event. So generally WWDC, what actually it is? So WWDC is an event which is being held by the Apple every year in the month of June, just for to launch their operating systems. So generally in WWDC, what we see, we will be seeing, we will be getting the new operating systems of the Apple products. Like for iPhone, that is iOS 15, and that is being the most loved one. Everybody is waiting for this iOS 15 for an iPhone, then iPad OS 15, Mac OS, TV OS, Watch OS. So these are some of the operating systems that is going to be launched in this event from 7th of June, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 days event is there, and there are being some kind of rumors are also there from the biggest YouTubers that along with operating systems we may be getting the new hardwares also. So there are being rumors that Apple is planning to launch their MacBook Air, new MacBook Pro 14-inch, 16-inch along with the new M1X chip. I don't know whether it is right or wrong, but these are the rumors, it is the rumors. So let's see what we will get in this event. So in this video we are just going to discuss about what we can expect, and of course operating systems, that is 101% sure. The remaining ones we can discuss. We can discuss about the new features that we will get in iOS 15. So how could be the screen look like, that what we are going to discuss in this video. So please watch till the end. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for this channel for more info about Apple products, and it would really boost me up. So please like, share and subscribe for this channel. So let's So first of all, there is one bad news for the iPhone 6, 6s, 6s Plus users, that this newly coming operating system iOS 15, it will not be compatible with these models, iPhone 6, 6s and 6 Plus. This newly operating system iOS 15, it will be compatible from iPhone 7 up to the latest one. So there is one bad news, but we can't do anything. That is being decided by the Apple. And second thing, this WWDC, it's being held from 7th of June. It will start at 10 o'clock morning in the California, but the people who wants to watch in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, so it will start at 22:30, that is 10:30 p.m. at the night time, 10:30 p.m. for India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. So the people who just want to watch this, just make sure that you people should be in front of your TV, in front of your laptop, in front of your iPhones, in front of your phones, whatever you have. So exact sharp at 22:30 it will start on 7th of June. So firstly, just look at this photo. So what do you think about this photo? This photo is being launched by the Apple itself when they announced for the WWDC event from the 7th of June. So in this photo you can see that one MacBook is there which looks more thinner than the present ones. So isn't it a hint that Apple is planning to launch a new MacBook Air in this WWDC? And one of the best YouTuber leaker, John Prosser, he also hinted that Apple is planning to launch the new MacBook Air with M1X chip. But if you're asking me, I don't think so, because we are already running this new M1 chip MacBook Air, which is being running so nicely, so fast, everything is going on well. So from my side, my probability for launching of this MacBook Air is just only 10%. I don't think so that Apple will be going to launch any kind of MacBook Air in this WWDC. So what will be your comments? What do you think about this? Please write in comments. So we will see in the WWDC, but I don't think so that they will. And another interesting thing to note that in this WWDC is that Apple has just posted another photograph having people with glasses having apps on them. So some YouTubers, they are saying that some rumors are there that it is like a hint that Apple is planning to launch their Apple glasses in this WWDC. We have already heard a lot of rumors from past 2 years that Apple is going to launch their Apple glasses, through which you can use your apps, you can see your apps of your cell phone, and you can use this. So it would be a really good product, but according to me, the probability for this Apple glass is being very less. It is only 15 to 20%. According to me, Apple is not going to launch Apple glass. I think Apple will launch their Apple glasses in the coming years, especially for 2023. So we are having a lot of rumors before that also, that Apple is planning to launch Apple glasses, but still under process. They are checking it out, and it is going to be launched in 2023. So what is being your opinion? What do you people think about it? And the next important thing which people are being really waiting for, that is MacBook Pros. A lot of rumors are being there that Apple is planning to launch their newly designed MacBook Pros with a lot of hubs like USB-C, USB 3, specifically designed for M1X and M2 chip. So if it would be a MacBook Pro, the chip would be called as M1X, and if it would be a MacBook Air, the chip would be called as M2. So a lot of rumors are there. So some rumors are saying that Apple is going to launch this in this WWDC, and other people, some rumors are saying that it is going to launch in the second quarter of this year. So what I feel that Apple is not going to launch in this WWDC. I feel that Apple is planning to launch this MacBook Pros, newly designed MacBook Pros, in the second quarter of this year. So we can say that we can expect newly MacBook Pros in the coming July or August, just before the launch of iPhones and Apple Watch. So as this what I think, what I'm guessing about this. So you please let me know what do you think about this. Please comment in this video and let me know when they are going to launch this newly designed MacBook Pro. Thing which everyone is being looking for is iOS 15. So every year in WWDC events, people used to have a lot of expectations from the Apple, just to see a lot of enhancements, a lot of things, a lot of changes from the operating system of an iPhone. So this year Apple is going to launch iOS 15. So a lot of rumors are being there that Apple is going to make so many changes regarding to lock screen, regarding to app library, regarding to privacy, regarding to control center. So one rumor is that now with this iOS 15 we are being able to see our apps in the lock screen itself. Suppose if somebody texts you like in WhatsApp or in Instagram, then we are being able to see that text, or we are being able to open this WhatsApp and this Instagram app only from the lock screen itself. That apps could be seen in the lock screen itself. So this is one of the rumor regarding lock screen. And the other thing is control center. The new amendments would be coming, that new changes, the new features would be coming that we can add in the control center. So now in this iOS 14 we don't have much in control center. So with the iOS 15 it is saying that a lot of things would be there which we can add in the control center. Third thing is related to privacy, which is being the most favorite topic of an Apple. As you know that in iOS 14.5 we got this option that allow apps not to track. So if we switched it off, then no app would be able to track us. But in iOS 15 they just the rumor is there that they are going to take this privacy up to a certain level, that still with the iOS 14.5 still some apps which can track you secretly. So with the use of iOS 15 they will tell you that this app is being tracking you secretly. So that also you come to know. So they are going to make big amendments to privacy also, and in app library also. So in iOS 14 we got this new app libraries, and it is being really very heavy loaded. So now Apple is planning to redesign their app library. So some rumors are there about this. With this new iOS 15, lot of changes would be there regarding structure, regarding new features that we can add. So some of the changes are there. So let's see what we are going to get in this iOS 15 in this WWDC. So hope so it should be good and it should be liked by each and everyone. So